Hello everyone, welcome to the mathematical session. Today we will discuss determinant concepts, exemplar problem, exercise 4.3 class 12, which will be helpful for JEE Mains, Karnataka CET, NDA exam. Here is our first question. So determinant we have to expand, both are equal, we have to find the value of x. Solution. So cross multiplication 2 into 2x into x, 2x square minus 40, 8 into 5 is equals to, this is 18, and if you cross multiply plus 14 you are getting. So this is what we have, expansion on both sides. So x square is equals to, so this is 32 plus 40 divided by 2, which is nothing but 72 by 2, which is nothing but 36. This implies x is equals to square root of 36. Okay, plus or minus 6 we are getting the answer. The C option is the correct one. Next. Okay, so very simple and simplified determinant we are having. So determinant we will write it as it is, a minus b. So we will write as it is determinant. So you can see a, b plus c is there, a is missing, c plus a is there, b is missing. So we will add, okay, c2 is nothing but c2 plus c3 we will make. Okay, so this implies, so first column as it is, okay, first column as it is we will keep. Okay, second column a plus b plus c we are getting, a plus b plus c we are getting, a plus b plus c we are. So third column is also as it is. Okay, we will write it here. A plus b plus c is common, we will take it outside. Okay, rest all the things we will write it as it is, 1 1 1 a b c. So whenever you get 1 1 1, so make two ones as zeros. So second row we will change it as second row minus first row, and third row we will change it as third row minus first row. So a plus b plus c is equals to into, so first row we are not at all changing, we'll write it as it is, second row. Okay, so if you subtract what you are getting, so this becomes minus, this becomes plus. Okay, so it will be interchange. So 2 times minus ab, so 0 you got, minus ab you got. So here also if you subtract minus, so you are getting c minus 2a you got, plus b you got. Okay, next 1 as it is, so c minus a you are getting. Okay, 0 it is, of course. Okay, now expanding along second column, expanding along second column, so 1 as it is. Okay, if we cancel this row, this is minus 1. Okay, so 2 times b minus a, c minus a, and here b minus a, c minus 2a plus b. Okay, so a plus b plus c is equals to, so minus you can take b minus common. Okay, and here it is, 2 is there, so 2 you can multiply it inside, minus 2 you can multiply minus sign also inside. Okay, this implies a plus b plus c So 2a 2a 4a you will get, okay, 4a, and minus b you will get, minus c you will get. Okay, is it clear? Okay, so this is what we got. And so none of these you can see, none of this is the answer. Next one. Okay, so area of a triangle, area of a triangle is given. Okay, so half into x1 y1 1, x2 y2 1, x3 y3 1. Okay, determinant. Here it is x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. This implies 9. 9 is the area, and we have x1 is minus 3 0 1. We have 3 0 1 0 k1. Okay, so 9 if you multiply to the others, 2 if you multiply to the other side, 18 you will get. So determinant. Okay, this is determinant. If you take expansion, minus 3 0 minus k minus 0 3 minus 0 plus k 3k minus 0. So this implies 18 is equals to 3k. So this term entirely 0 plus 3k. So 18 6k. Here it is nothing but 3k is the answer. K is equals to 3. Okay, thank you. Next problem. Okay, so here is a determinant we are having. Okay, determinant. So I will directly take this, and in the first one we will take b as common. So b minus e I will get. Second as it is here, c I will take it common. So b minus e. Okay, in the second row I will take a as common. So b minus a I got. Okay, a minus b. I will take b common. B minus a. Next, here c I will take common. B minus a. C minus a. A. So now you can see in first column a minus b is common, and in second column a minus b is common. So if you take it outside, so it is becoming square. So rest all the things as it is we are writing. As you can see in the second column b minus c is there. Here first column b is there, c is there. If you subtract first column, if you write it as first column minus second column, then what you are going to get? This implies b minus a whole square. Okay, b minus c. Okay, a minus b, and c minus a it is. Okay, a minus. So first column we have changed, the second column as it is, and third column also as it is. Okay, so if any determinant, two rows or columns are the same, then their determinant value is 0. Okay, so 0 is the answer. None of this is the option. Next, okay, number of distinct real roots of this after expansion. Okay, and should lie in this interval. Solution. So for this determinant, you can see in each row 2 cos and 1 sin is there. 2 cos, 1 sin is there. So c1 we can write it as c1 plus c2 plus c3. So this implies, so 2 times cos x plus sin x. Okay, 2 times cos x sin x, 2 times cos x plus sin x here. Next, second column as it is, we are not changing. In the first column we are taking it outside, 2 cos x sin x 1 1 1. Okay, now whenever you get 1 1 1, you make 2 any ones 0, so you can write it as r2 implies r2 minus r1, r3 you can change it as r3 minus r1. Okay, so we'll write, so it is equal to 0, here also it is equal to 0. Now 2 times cos x plus sin x. So first row as it is, we are not changing. The second row 0 we got, here we got sin minus cos. Okay, cos minus cos is 0. Here also third row we have 0, so 0 we got, the sin minus cos we got. Okay, it is equal to 0. So when you go for expansion, what you are getting? Okay, you are getting 1 as it is, you are getting sin x minus cos x whole square is equals to 0. Okay, so therefore you can write 2 cos x plus sin x is equals to 0. So this is one part of the solution. Next, sin x minus cos x whole square is equals to 0. Okay, so this part of the solution you can see, send sign to the other side, so it is a minus sign. Okay, so next whole together if you simplify, tan x you are getting minus 2 you are getting. Okay, but according to this condition, so minus pi less than or equal to pi, if you apply tan you are getting minus 1, tan x plus 1 you are getting, means whatever the tan x value will lie between minus 1 and plus 1 according to this interval, so it cannot be minus 2, so no solution for this equation. So what about this? So here you will get sin x is equals to cos x, 1 you are getting 1. Okay, so x is equals to tan 45 and it lies in this interval, so only one solution is there. Okay, one real solution or one real root is the answer you are having. Next one, ABC are the angles of a triangle. Okay, determinant value we are supposed to find. So in this we shall use the projection formula. So first I will write projection formula. A is equals to B cos capital C. Capital C is the angle, small b is small a, b, c are sides, capital A, B, C are angles. C cos B. Okay, so this one. Next, B is equals to C cos A plus A cos C. Next, C is equals to A cos capital B, B cos capital A. Okay, this is what the projection rule we will call it. Projection rule of a triangle. Okay, this we will use it here. So first column we will change, multiply with A, and second column we will multiply with B, and third column we will multiply with C, and we will add them. Okay, so first column how we are changing. The first column we have multiplied with A. Okay, so minus A. Okay, second column we have multiplied with B, and third column we have multiplied with C. Okay, so similarly first column we have multiplied with A, Second column we have multiplied with B. Third column we have multiplied with C. Okay, capital C. Next, first column multiplied with A. Second column we have multiplied with B. Third column we have multiplied with A. So this is what changes in the first column, and rest of the columns are same. Now using this identity, so C cos B cos C plus C cos B is nothing but A it is. Okay, so here we can write minus A plus A we can write. Okay, next here A cos C and this is plus sign C cos A is B. Okay, here minus B plus B. Okay, next, so A cos B and B cos A is nothing but C it is. So here we can write C minus C. Okay, rest all the columns are as it is. So if you go for simplification, what you are getting here, so all the cancellation you have 0 0 0, C cos C cos C cos B minus 1 cos A minus 1. Okay, if any row or column in the determinant is 0, the entire determinant is 0. Here A is the option. Next one, limit you are supposed to find. So before going to finding the limit, just we go for expansion. F of t is equals to, I will directly go for expansion. Cos t square minus 2t square minus t 2t sin t. Okay, so minus 2t sin t. Okay, plus next third one plus 1 2t sin t minus t sin t. If I take it in some, so minus t square you got. Okay, so here completely it is 0. So here what we got, minus t, not minus t, plus t sin t. So this is what the concept we are having. Each and every term, if you divide it by t square, what you are going to get, 1 t are getting cancelled. The here t square is there, t square. So therefore limit f t as a t tends to 0 is equals to limit minus cos t as a t tends to 0 plus limit sin t by t, 1 t is remaining, as the t tends to 0. Okay, so cos 0, so limit tan theta by theta as theta tends to 0 is equals to 1, which is we can write it as 1. So minus 1 plus 1 is equals to 0. We are having A is the option. Next one easily maximum value of this determinant. Okay, R2 implies R2 minus R1, R3 implies R3 minus R1. Okay, so R1 as it is, no changes. Okay, we can do like this, C1 C2 minus C1, C3 minus C1 also not 0. So if you subtract, here it is theta, it is not printed. Okay, minus if you take, so sin theta 0 you are getting. So here also cos theta, and here you are getting 0, here also you are getting 0. So when you go for expansion, 0 minus 0 minus 1, 0 minus 0 plus 1. Okay, so 0 minus sin theta cos theta we got. So this implies minus sin theta cos theta we got. So 1 by 2 into 2, so multiply and divided by 2 you are getting. So that you can sin 2 formula you can see. So sin 2, so you know sin 2 theta, its maximum value is 1 here. Okay, so if its maximum value is 1 minus 1 by 2, so maximum value is 1, it is minus 1 by 2 is the answer you are getting. So minus A option is the correct one. Okay, maximum value is minus 1. Okay, next one. Okay, so here in this case they have told you to find f of a is 0 or f of b is 0, f of 0 is 0. First we will substitute f of 0. Okay, does not satisfy, we go for other option. F of 0 we will substitute. Okay, wherever x is there you are substitute 0. So this you can see, so this is a skew symmetric matrix. Okay, so all the diagonal elements are 0 and non-diagonal elements are same but opposite in sign. So this is a skew symmetric matrix. So why I am telling this skew symmetric matrix? So skew symmetric matrix, its determinant is always equal to 0. So determinant of skew symmetric matrix is always 0. So 0 is the answer. Okay, we have the correct option. Determinant of skew symmetric matrix is always 0. Next, inverse. So inverse exists if at all it only exists, the determinant is not equal to 0. So find the determinant, then it should not be equal to 0. Implies 2 plus 5 lambda minus 6 is not equal to 0. This implies lambda is equals to plus 4 divided by 5, not equal. This is what the concept we are having. So none of this is the option. Next, in an invertible matrix A and B are invertible matrix, which of the following is incorrect? So this is nothing but this is inverse, finding the inverse formula. So determinant property is there. Determinant of A inverse is equals to determinant of A whole inverse. So this is correct. This is also correct. This is the standard identity. So AB whole inverse is equals to B inverse A inverse. So this is incorrect. Okay, so this is the right answer we are having. Now in this this is the standard formula, the standard problem in NCERT textbook. The standard formal problem in NCERT textbook 0. So when you go expansion, as a standard formula I told, so it is 1 by x plus 1 by y plus 1 by z plus 1. Okay, so its value standard problem is there in NCERT. So this implies, and they said it is equal to 0. This implies x in x raised to minus 1, x raised to 1 is equals to minus 1 you will get. So this is what the simplified answer we are having. So what is the value of this? So nothing but minus 1 is the answer. So if you remember this standard formula, or else you can solve this easily by taking the x common, adding and all, but the standard formula you are getting the answer, easily you are getting the answer. Okay, now you can see, so in this problem, okay, x 2x is there, y 2y is there, y 2y, y 2y. So here in this case c1 can be changed to c1 plus c2 plus c3. This implies 3x plus 2y, 3y. Okay, 3 is common, I think so. Okay. 3x plus y, 3x plus y, 3x plus y we got. So x plus y, x plus 2y, x plus 2y, x plus y, x. 3 x plus y, 1 1 1. R2 changes to R2 minus R1. Already we have done this kind of things. Here our column containing all 1, x minus y got, x minus cancels, so minus y got. Okay, so here also 0 we got. You get plus y, you will get minus 2y. Okay, so this implies if you go for expansion along first row, 1 minus 2y square plus y square, so which is nothing but 3y square, so which is nothing but 9y square x plus y, so which is the answer. Okay. B is the option. Here we have minus 1, here we have minus 1, so we'll go for expansion. Okay, 1 as it is. Okay, that is 4a, not 4a, 2a square plus 4 plus 2, 4a minus 0 plus 5, 8 minus 0 is equals to 86. This implies 2a square plus 4 plus 8a plus 40 minus 86 is equals to 0. So this is nothing but 2a square plus 8a, so minus, so 44 minus 42 is the, so 2 when you take common. Here we have roots are 7 and plus 3. These are the roots we are having, so therefore a is equals to minus 7 3. Okay, so what they said, sum of these numbers, so therefore sum of numbers is equals to minus 7 plus 3 is equals to minus 4. Minus 4, C is the correct option. Thank you everyone.